Hello and welcome to JDE Ipoh Plant, White Cafe Sendirian Bearhead, as well known as Old Town White Coffee. Situated in Tasik Industrial Estate, JDE Ipoh Plant is where all the mixes and pack takes place. The instant coffee, creamer and sugar are prepared to a proprietary formula. There are 4 main buildings in the plant, which are admin block, canteen or training center, production factory, and warehouse. In JDE, we are committed to provide a safe and healthy work environment for associates, contractors, and visitors. Follows our motto: we work safely or we do not work. We are committed to create and maintain a world-class safety culture to achieve an accident-free work environment for our associates, contractors, and visitors.
Plant manager is expecting every associate, contractor, and visitor to work safely, or we do not work. Each of every employee to be trained and qualified in the relevant safety procedures, as well as use the last-minute risk assessment, LMRA, before commencing any non-routine work. Plant manager also expecting everyone to use and wear personal protective equipment as specified on labels, signs, procedures, and matrix. Report and document all safety incidents and defects, no matter how minor, promptly and accurately.
Do not use mobile phone while driving. Do not exceed premise speed limit, which is 15 km per hour. Give priority to pedestrian at crossing. You may park at visitor parking lot if the space is available. When moving around the premise, please ensure that you are being accompanied by staff. Do not move around alone and please follow safety rules and regulation. Walk only on the designated safety walkway for the protection of yourself and the others. Never stand or walk underneath any load. Always use the handrail when walking up and down the stairs. Falling down the stairs is one of the biggest risks. By not rushing up and down the stairs, we mitigate the risk as much as possible. Do not use your mobile phone on stairs, as it can cause distraction. There are 2 smoking areas for smokers, outside canteen, and behind warehouse. It is prohibited to smoke other than these areas. Personal protective equipment, PPE, are required when entering operation area. Make sure you have earplug put on before entering hearing protection zone. For good manufacturing practice, GMP area, visitors shall wear visitor coat, visitor safety shoe or shoe cover, disposable face mask, disposable earplug, disposable hair net, and bump cap. For non-GMP area, visitors shall wear safety vest, safety shoe, and bump cap. Slipper is not allowed to be worn inside the premise. Wearing watch and jewelries, such as bangle, necklace, and earrings, are not allowed inside operation area. Follow the safety rules when entering warehouse. Always be cautious and look around, as forklift is crossing in the warehouse. The speed limit for forklift is 10 km per hour, while the reach truck is 5 km per hour. The emergency evacuation plan, showing the evacuation path, is showed on the safety and health boards in premise. In case of emergency, the fire alarm bell will be ringing. Keep calm and evacuate immediately through the nearest exit door. There are 3 assembly points. First is admin block parking, second is production factory parking, and third is rear guard house. For visitors, please gather at assembly point, located in front of admin block. For visitors, security team will conduct the head count. In case of injury, you may get initial treatment from our certified first aiders. We have located 7 first aid boxes all around the premise. Please ask for assistance for nearby first aid box. Again, we welcome your visit to our plant. Let's respect the rules and minimize the risk as much as we can. Thank you. And safety first.
GMP, Quality and Food Safety Policy, Food Defense and Halal Awareness. For visitor.
Welcome to JDE. Upon arrival, please register at guardhouse, get visitor pass from the guard and call White Cafe contact person. Gently reminder, please do not enter to work area without assisting by company representative.
You are only allowed to park at designated visitor parking lot. Kindly proceed to outside company premise if visitor parking lot is fully occupied.
For motorcyclist, you must park your vehicle at motorcycle parking area. You are not allowed to park at any general compound which is not declared as parking area.
For those interviewee and courier, must park your vehicle at designated motorcycle parking area. Kindly proceed to outside company premise if the parking area is fully occupied.
Personal hygiene and practices.
You are not allowed to enter White Cafe if you're not feeling well. Please inform your host if you have below symptoms such as flu, diarrhea, cough, or vomit.
Please note that eating, drinking, chewing gum and smoking are not allowed in production area and warehouse. Unhygienic actions such as scratching head, nose picking, and spitting are also not allowed in production and warehouse. General personal hygiene requirement in warehouse are enclosed shoes, neat and well-groomed hair, sideburns, mustaches and beards, short fingernails. Singlet, dark glasses, loose jewelries, watch and excessive perfume are not allowed. These are the basic attire in production area. Bump cap, hairnet, protective clothing and clean shoes with yellow lace are compulsory. Earplug is only applicable at hearing protection zone. Gloves will be provided when you need to in contact with raw material or food contact surface, whereas wearing mask is optional. You are required to wash your hand before entering production area. Firstly, wet your hands with water. Open water by placing hands to the sensor. Apply hand soap and then rub hands together with palm facing. Rub hands together, palm facing with finger interlace. Then, rub tips of fingers on the opposite palm. Following, rub the back of hands and rub wrists with other hand using a rotation motion. Then, rinse hands with sufficient water and wipe with tissue. Please throw the used tissue into rubbish bin. Finally, apply sanitizer before entering GMP area. Please keep the toilet clean. Flush the toilet after use, do not litter and smoke inside the toilet.
Please take your seat at the designated resting area, which are outside canteen and warehouse.
Food safety and quality policies. Delivering consistent quality and safe products. Complying with the company business goals, statutory, regulatory, customers, and other interested parties' requirements. Communicating externally and internally on issues related to product quality and safety. Achieving shared objectives through teamwork. Achieving efficiency for cost management. Continually improving the effectiveness of food safety and quality management system. Increase competencies related to food safety amongst all employees through mindset and culture building and training programs. Minimize food loss through continuous improvement.
There are 2 food safety objectives. First, to achieve the following food safety KPI objective, which are 0 crisis, 0 quality issue, and 0 repeated quality incident. Secondly, to ensure no incidents of injurious physical hazards from market feedback. Focuses on preventing physical hazards in products by monitoring market feedback, strengthening quality control, ensuring compliance and protecting consumer safety. Halal policy. Use only halal ingredients to produce halal products. No pork, no alcohol beverage. Set up halal committee member to handle all matter regarding to halal certification. Production systems for these products are clean and free from non-halal and filthy ingredients. Subjected to regular inspection by Department of Islamic Development Malaysia, JAKIM, and BPJPH.
No pork and no alcoholic beverages allowed in White Cafe premise. Please contact our food safety team if you require more details. Thank you.